Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you've had an amazing start to 2018. I got back from my little getaway yesterday and it was the most relaxing 2 days ever. It was very much needed. And today, I'm really excited about today because today is my first day kind of back here at my home here in Melbourne, being able to organize my life. I have done so much cleaning. I have done loads of washing, vacuumed top to bottom. I have done all of my kitchen. Haven't done the bathroom yet, still have to get onto that. But it's so nice. Oh, and I decluttered stuff. I have a bag of stuff over here that I can get rid of. So I feel like I've had a super productive day. It feels so nice to try and get myself prepared for 2018 and get back into work next week. So it's been really, really good. And while I've been feeling really productive and motivated today, I thought I would film a video for you. And on the note of videos, Monday will be my first Motivational Monday for 2018. One of my little goals will be to try and create motivational videos every single day from Monday. This is a series I started last year, if you did not know that, and I'm bringing it back this year with my first video going up Monday. I have a couple of ideas, but if you have any suggestions of what you would like me to talk about on Monday, then leave them as a comment down below, and if I can see something that seems a little more interesting than the things I've got to talk about, then I'll make a video about it. So that'll be coming up Monday. And today I wanted to create this video too because the morning of the day we went to leave to go away, I did a meditation, and that meditation was probably one of the best meditations I have done in such a long time. Not only because I really kind of got into the zone and I was very like into the meditation. The topic of the meditation was so good, and I was like, I have to make a video about this and tell you guys because I felt like it was so helpful. It made me think about my goals and my New Year's resolutions differently, and I hope that sharing this information with you guys, I can like help some of you who might be struggling with the beginning of the year and the beginning of your New Year's resolutions. So the meditation was about New Year's resolutions and setting intentions in place of New Year's resolutions. And I really, really liked this concept because sometimes New Year's resolutions can be really overwhelming. It's like you either achieve them or you don't. And it's not very motivating when you're kind of walking this fine line about achieving or failing. And setting intentions gives you a little bit more wiggle room for you to sometimes slip up, maybe not be perfect all the time, and still keep you motivated and keep you on track with whatever it is that you're working towards. So your New Year's resolutions can seem for some people quite like, hit or miss, very much like this is it, this is the rule, and if you don't stick to this, then you're failing and you're not good enough, so you might as well give up. And so, an example of this is, say you didn't want to eat sugar anymore, and all of a sudden it's day 5 and you ate sugar and you feel like you failed, and then you want to give up and there's no point. You're like, it's 5 days of 2018 and I've already failed. You haven't failed, and the whole point of this meditation, and the thing that really stuck with me, was just start again tomorrow. And that sentence, just start again tomorrow, just kind of hit me, and I was like, that is such great advice. It's like, don't give up just because you slipped up one day, you didn't exercise, or you ate sugar when you didn't want to eat sugar. Just start again tomorrow. I know that for so many people, it's like January 1st seems to be the most motivational, the most like, yes, this is when I'm going to start fresh. But you can start fresh any day of the year. If you are one of those people that does find it more easier to start fresh on, say, the 1st of something, you've got the 1st of every month. And if you want to really talk about it, Monday. Every 7 days, there's a Monday. So the 8th of January, like I said in my other video, is my 1st of January. Like, that's my first day. I'm really going to get back into life and organizing and working on my planner and doing everything that I want to do. You can pick any day of the year to be your first. So if you're watching this video and you are almost a week through 2018 and you're feeling like you failed your New Year's resolutions and you're feeling like you're failing at being this new person that you wanted to be, do not give up. You have to remember these things take time, and they take slipping up and falling off the path that you're on. But you can pick yourself back up and you can start again tomorrow. And that was just the main point I wanted to share with you. Start again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day and you can start fresh tomorrow, and you can do that for the rest of the year. So don't give up on your New Year's resolutions just yet, even if you feel like you're failing. Anyway, so that was the meditation. Hit me really hard. I was like, that is such a good point. Start again tomorrow. It also comes with a quote at the end of every meditation. This is on the Calm app as well, by the way. I don't know exactly what the meditation is because I don't have the Calm app. It wasn't my app that we were using. But the quote was, "The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new." And that is like one of my favorite quotes, or at least like one of my favorite types of quotes. Anything that's like forgetting about what's like not working and just building the new stuff, like I love it because it's so true. Stop fighting the old version of yourself and just start working on the new. I think that's so important. I was actually going through Pinterest last night and I was on Twitter last night, and the same sort of quote popped up, and I was like, it's just, that's all you can do. It's like focus on yourself, focus on building the new things, and stop worrying about the old, and stop worrying about the things that you can't control. Concentrate on the things you can and just build that instead. Focus all your energy in that direction, because it's a much more positive way and an easier way to change the things that you want to change than fighting the old. So just wanted to include that in this video as well. Anyway, today's video might be another great opportunity to get a notepad and a pen and write down a little reflection of your first week of January, first week of 2018. You have to remember though, and this is where you need to be really nice to yourself, that the holiday period usually spills over into January for a couple of weeks. I'm still on holidays. I'm not going back to work until Monday. So I'm still really relaxed. I'm still, being kind to myself and allowing things not to work out. If you live here in Australia and you study or you go to school, then you would know that basically the school year doesn't start until February. And that means like the whole of January has kind of got this holiday vibe to it. So don't beat yourself up and don't be hard on yourself if, January 1st to today hasn't been exactly how you wanted it to be. Just remember, it's not going to be easy. It doesn't have to be perfect straight away. Just ease yourself into it and start fresh tomorrow. Grab yourself a pen, piece of paper, and write down a little bit of a reflection of your first week. I'm not going to reflect my first week at all because, like I said, I'm in holiday mode, so it's not something I want to do. But if it's something that you want to do, this might be helpful, or this might be helpful for your entire January or next week or whenever you want to reflect. And the first point is to be honest with yourself. Write down what worked for you and what didn't work for you, because you need to be really, really honest. It's about working out what you are capable of. Don't be hard on yourself, but also don't say that you can do things that you can't do. You've got to be really, really honest. Otherwise, you'll start working on things and you won't be able to achieve them, and it will be really discouraging. Number 2 is to be really, really kind to yourself. Be nice. Be honest, but be nice. Don't beat yourself up because you haven't done exactly what you wanted to do. Everybody struggles with their goals. Everybody struggles with their New Year's resolutions. So don't feel like you're this huge failure who sucks at everything and can't do anything, because you can. You just had a slip up, or something didn't work for 1 or 2 days or for the whole week, but you can do this. You can make 2018 great. So be kind to yourself. Number 3, start again. This is like my favorite part of this entire video because it was just the biggest thing in that meditation. Just start again tomorrow. That's all you have to do. You feel like today sucks, just get up. Tomorrow's a new day. Start again fresh. Number 4, make sure you're constantly reevaluating your goals, your New Year's resolutions, your intentions throughout this year. So if you want to look back over this particular week and you feel like you've been failing, are your goals too big? Do you have too many goals? Does your life need some rearranging? Do you need better time management to fit in working on these goals? You need to kind of reevaluate, see how you can make your goals work in your time. You know what I mean? I think when you're on holidays, you kind of sit there and you're like, yes, I'm going to do everything in 2018. And then 2018 shows up and your life starts to kind of just do its thing. And then you're like, wow, I don't have time to do anything that I said I wanted to do. So you need to kind of reevaluate your goals and your resolutions and work out how you can fit them into your time. Which then leads me to point number 5, which is maybe getting your calendar, working out some time management. I think I need to do some videos about time management. I definitely need to work on time management. It's like one of my weaknesses, and I've worked this out. I had a big conversation the other night about my strengths and weaknesses and where I'd like to improve in 2018. I need time management. So I'm going to go on a time management journey, and I think I should take you guys with me, because I think that that's really going to change how you start achieving your goals and how you start feeling like you're moving forward with whatever it is that you would like to move forward with. And that's my biggest thing. So sit down with a calendar, work out your times and your spaces. I know that I need to start managing times. I know Mondays are my Like, I have Mondays planned out, and I started this about 2 months ago, and having every Monday be the exact same and planned out the way that I want it to makes me so motivated to try and plan out the rest of my week, because doing that one day has made the world of difference in the last 2 months. And so yeah, I feel like time management is pretty big. That's a whole nother topic we can do in another video. But maybe look at where you can start inserting goals into your week and giving yourself little bits of time to work on everything. I think it's very important to keep reevaluating, to keep reviewing your weeks or your months and understanding what's not working, what is working, and how you can fit your goals into your timeline. I think that's really, really important. So I really hope this video was not confusing, because I'm starting to feel like it was a little confusing. But hopefully it wasn't. If I can find what the name of the meditation is, I'll leave it in the description. I really, really enjoyed it. It was such a good one, and it was super, super motivating for me. And I'm gonna get back to cleaning my apartment because I'm really enjoying getting myself organized for next week. And I will see you on Monday with a Motivational Monday. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.